2015 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. We got something different on this one done. As you guys can see a little bit of the blue there. We did a dual. There's the factory converter there and there. A third converter there. Then it goes 3-inch all the way into a MAGNAFLOW part number 12897. There'll be a link in the description. I hate when they do this, but I don't know why they took the sticker off, but okay. That's it right there. So tubular muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we did a 3-inch tailpipe or side pipe into a double wall blue 4-inch blue flame tip right there. And you guys can see it from right there. Came out really beautiful. Let you guys hear it to this end. Sounds good. I like it. If you like it, say. I want you to comment, guys. I like it. If you like it. In caps. In caps. I like it. Because I like it. Again. See sound decibels. Again. There's sound decibels. 98. Not bad at all. There's the resonator. Rusted out tip and muffler we cut off, and you guys always want to cut these off, remember, if you ever do it. That sounds really nice. Again. Let you guys hear the inside. You remember the Honda? Oh yeah. The Type R.
Yes.
It was in slow motion. So always check, make sure.